Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm great. There are so many structures for projected capacitive touchscreen. May I ask what G+F+F structure is?
Hello, Greg. G+F+F means cover glass plus film sensor plus film sensor. It is going to need two-layer film sensors to achieve the touch function. Let us look at the structure. Two-sheet 2 ITO laminated structure. From top to bottom, cover glass OCA1, ITO1, film 1, OCA2, ITO2, and film 2. Advantage: highly accurate, multi-touch, good at handwriting, replaceable cover glass, high strength, high reliability, strong anti-ESD, strong anti-interfered, and suitable for all sizes. Disadvantage: lower transmission and more expensive.
Dr. Pan, I can see that G+F+F structure is very reliable, but we don't see it on the market very often, do we?
Yes, it can be widely used because of lower transmission, only 80%, and high price. But it is still used for high-end equipments because of higher reliability.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.